Hello, it's Huiming here. In this video, you will learn how to set up vouchers for customers to redeem with loyalty points. Yes, you hear me right. Customers can actually exchange items or vouchers with the points that they have accumulated from their past purchases. Once you've logged in into your EasyStore account, you can click on Promotions, All Vouchers, click on Add Vouchers button on top right here, and here will be all the available preset voucher templates that you can choose from. We have up to 11, up to 11 templates where you can actually decide which type of vouchers that you would like to set. But today, we will be going with free gift. Okay, so free gift would be this one, free Apple with any purchases. So once we've clicked into it, this is where you can kickstart your settings. Okay, and before you start, you'll be seeing this to give free gift based on quantity of item purchase. So basically on free gift settings, right, there are two methods you can go with. Either you want it to be done by quantity of item purchase or how much customer have spent to be entitled for that free gift. First thing first, please give your voucher a title. So this title would be visible to your customers, so please make sure to give it a nice name, okay? The title here is free soap with minimum of 100 ringgit spent, alright? So purchase requirement, since we are setting a minimum 100 ringgit spend, so we add in more 2 zeros, okay, 100, and it's applicable for all items. And when it comes to discount value, and since you are giving off free gift, right, I believe in some situation where the free gift has been assigned specifically, okay, which means this specific items is for free gift, okay, so you can select free gift based on selected items, or maybe you already have a collection dedicatedly just for the free gift, okay. So from here, we will go with selected items. So search product or variant names, okay, for free gift. So maybe here I type in a soap named Manuka, click on it, confirm. And for the free gift quantity, you can actually decide how many free gift that you would like to give away. If it's unlimited, insert 0. And since here we are giving off 1 Manuka as a free gift, so we put 1. And coming down to voucher redeem method, okay, this is very important setting as we are speaking about, changing vouchers or changing items with loyalty points. So here you will need to go with this redeem by loyalty points. So you can decide, okay, this voucher or this free gift is entitled for how many points. You can actually put in maybe 30, right? So, and for the voucher usage, each customer is only permitted to use and redeem 1 voucher. Coming down to customers eligibility, we have up to 4 settings as well. Okay, normally we will suggest to go with all login customers so that our system is able to keep track of, for example, how many points do this customer have. And once they have collected this voucher, then our system will actually deduct 30 points from their balance point. Or in another situation where if you are also setting up membership tier and this exchange point voucher is only entitled for the highest tier, you can go with it definitely, okay? So you can go with the highest tiers that you have set from our end. So for example, in this situation, we have selected membership platinum, okay? So later on, this voucher is only entitled for platinum members only. But then today, we will go with all login members, all right? And for the available voucher quantity, there are difference between unlimited and limited times. Unlimited times is referring to it is usable all the time, while limited time is referring to, for example, if it's a new product launching, okay, that you want to encourage customers to actually use points to redeem that particular free gift, you can set, okay, first 100 customers only entitled for this free gift and in exchange of the points, okay, so you can set limited times, but then we'll go with unlimited. And let's say if you also provide expiration for this voucher, of course, you can tick on it and select voucher expires in 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. Okay? So once all has been done accordingly, you can have a look on the summary on here to confirm that, okay, this is the right voucher setting that I am good to go with. If it's okay, we can click save. Alright, so let's come with me to the website to see where customers can actually view and redeem the voucher. Now we are at the website, okay? But before that, please make sure customers have actually signed up for an account or log in as a member, because if do so, they can just directly click from here. They would see vouchers. Okay, so click on vouchers. Click on shop vouchers. So earlier on, we have set free soap with minimum 100 ringgit spent, right? So customers can redeem from here. Okay, so here they will see terms and condition. Okay, some of the information from here as well. And at the same time, customers can also see their available points. So for example, I have left such many points yet. Okay, so what I can do is, if I am interested in this particular voucher, I can actually click redeem with 30 points. Okay, so system will actually prompt them, are you sure you want to redeem this voucher? Redeem. Okay, so later on, they can actually use it. Okay, so once they have successfully used this voucher, successfully paid for that order, then our system will be identified that, okay, Hui Ming have actually logged in, okay, and she have redeemed this with 30 points. So later on, system will deduct 30 points from the available points earlier on. Alright, so they can actually redeem or use anytime within the time frame that you have set accordingly.